Before starting an immersive program, this 9 to 5, 12-week Monday to Friday class, students should know that it's a lot. This is something that can at points be all-consuming, and that it's what you get out of it is what you put into it. And so if you're committed, you're passionate, you bring yourself to work every day, you leave and you start thinking about making these connections and all of that, that is when you're going to see the greatest returns from this.
The grit and determination factor, making sure that you want to do this. It doesn't matter if you have a technical background, it doesn't matter how old you are, where you're coming from. If you want to make this happen, I can make this happen for you, right? We can do it together. If you're not sure if you want to do this, come back when you know for sure yes or no. I would say if you have a good idea that this is what you want to do with the rest of your life and you're willing to commit to it, there's nothing that's going to stop you.
I would think of it as a journey over the course of a year at least. Think about the course as a way to accelerate your learning, but a lot of it's going to be up to the individual student to learn as much as they possibly can before the course with some of the resources that GA provides, but also on their own accord based on what they're interested in. So they can really hit the ground running when they start the course, and then understand that the few months after the course is still improving your projects, updating your portfolio, really understanding the industry that you're in.
Get prepared for 10 crazy weeks. Forgive yourself because you're going to fail a lot. And know that these 10 weeks are just the foundation.
It's a lot, but you're going to get out of it what you put into it. So put your heart and soul into it. That's what we do as instructors. And so let's both put our hearts and our souls into it and make you the best that you can be.